Do vaccines really cause autism? Let's get into it. In today's society, there are a lot of rumors and myths going around, like about Earth being flat or about the coronavirus being a man-made virus. The one we'll be talking about is the myth that vaccination can cause autism. To understand vaccines better, let's take a look at how they work. According to the CDC, vaccines help develop immunity by imitating an infection. This type of infection, however, almost never causes illness, but it does cause the immune system to produce T lymphocytes and antibodies. Sometimes after getting a vaccine, the imitation infection can cause minor symptoms, such as a fever. Such minor symptoms are normal and should be expected as the body builds immunity. Great. So, vaccines are meant to help your body. But if that's the case, then why are so many people against vaccinating their children, claiming it will cause autism? Let's take a look at what autism is. According to an article by the authors Lapis Sussman and Jacqueline, autism is a complex developmental disorder that can begin at any point in childhood from early infancy onward, and which can last throughout a person's lifetime. The term autism is used to designate a group of disorders known as autism spectrum disorders. So autism is a developmental disorder, correct? Developmental disorders are usually due to brain productivity. Vaccines, as we just discussed, are injected into the bloodstream to be taken to the immune system. Another article, titled Vaccines Equal Autism, Scientists Say No, states that certain parent groups have claimed that the Mirasol, a mercury-based preservative used in some vaccines and other products since the 1930s, may cause autism. The 2004 report concluded that there is no association between autism and vaccines that contain the Mirasol. The article also speaks about how the Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA, did a study of the risk of all mercury-containing food and drugs. They conducted a review of mercury content in vaccines. The review found no evidence of harm caused by doses of the Mirasol in vaccines except for minor local reactions. In addition to this article, an article by Alison Knopf says, "It is frightening for a parent of a child with autism to hear anything that can cause it, especially something that parents could have prevented. Nobody knows what causes it, but they do know this. Vaccination does not cause autism." Autism seemingly has no cause, and therefore, the people who say it's caused by vaccinations haven't done their research. The doctor that started this whole debate, Andrew Wakefield, was stripped of his medical license according to an article by Julia Bellis. Even still, as the article says, public health experts say the false data and Novis concludes in that paper, while rejected in the scientific world, helped fuel a dangerous movement of vaccine skepticism and refusal around the world. Vaccinations were invented to stop the spread of pandemics, so not vaccinating due to something that has been proven false is hurting the environment. It's your body and it's your choice whether you vaccinate or not. But doing research instead of letting society choose for you should be common sense.